Citroen C3 Picasso. It has heating issues. There's no hot air in the cabin. Also, the fan is a cooling fan, constantly running in high speed. So this sort of model, Citroen C3 Picasso or similar, I've seen lots of cars has a similar issues. No hot air inside the cabin, high speed fan running. It's only stopped when you take the battery lid off. So I've identified this thermostat issues. I'm sure 80% or 90% I'm sure that thermostat faulty. I've gone through air and water bleed, no issue with that. Basically is having hot water here, radiator side, but not hot water passing through this heating channel. So it's a bit, it's a weird design actually. It's only problem with the thermostat, that which is around here, is integrated to this housing. It's a bad design. To take that sensor, as you can see that it's integrated with the housing, so you have to take whole housing from the engine. So I'm nearly there. So take the battery out, take this cable, ignition lead, some cables out, take all these pipes. So all these pipes, so you have few screws down here, one, down two, then back another one, three, and there's a weird one. There's, I think you can see, there's a locking. It's down here, yeah, down here. There's a clip, you can see there, and then you have to take that out.